He never got back in.
He never left.
Sometimes he's even wearing clothes.
Okay, I'm gonna shut up now.
I would just fire 3 rounds in
All right,
this
are we
I don't know what we're
holing
doing.
up here for a bit?
Yeah, I guess 30 guys alive. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, where's that coming from?
Is there a horn to honk?
There's a horn. Oh, is there a horn dog? What?
Honk.
Hey, horn dog or horn to honk?
Honk.
This is what we have to listen to. Constantly.
Why are there constant noises?
Randy, now you know. This is what we have to listen to.
Where are those shots coming from, man? Mark 'em!
Down here.
Honk.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
You know, I don't have a
up
soundboard
on the
to
hill.
rely on.
Right here. I
That's
see
it.
him on the hill.
Alright, I'm
Two
gonna
guys.
get a
Two guys.
refill.
All these are organic.
All right, move back, because I
can't
cannot
see you
help
here.
you at this distance.
I
I'm
know,
only
I know.
useful inside a location.
I can't deal with them either.
We need to, should we go for a building?
I don't know. I kind of want to get a beat on these guys. Let's see.
Ah, shit.
They're right there. Mark.
I cannot
They're
fight
running
them
left,
in the
they're running
open.
left, they're running left. Oh,
Yeah.
Other guy right here.
Yeah,
There's-
yeah,
there's-
I see him.
Duck,
There's
duck,
two
duck,
squads.
duck,
Let 'em
duck,
come
duck,
in.
No,
duck,
they're-
duck, duck,
Yeah, they're
duck.
going at each
Yes.
other.
Yep.
Oh, that guy right up top.
Yeah, look at him up.
Swooping
Oh, another guy
in,
swooped in.
swooping
Another guy
in. Yeah. Right there, he swooped.
Don't shoot at him. Let's just see what they
I'm
do.
not,
here.
I'm not, I'm not.
You
Okay, I
gotta
wanna
duck.
shoot
They're
you.
gonna
Guys at
see
the
you.
top,
They're gonna see
guy.
you.
At the bottom.
They're gonna see you, dude.
Oh.
Duck.
No, they're not.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's right there.
Oh, see?
Running for Herschel's.
I'm
Running for
getting a
Herschel.
drink. Fuck you. Eat a dick. Okay, fuck you.
Oh, there's at least 2 moving that way.
Let's get.
There's
Want
a
to get
guy
behind
right up there. Which
Honestly.
wanna go
Check
up?
our ass. Check our ass. Because this guy's gonna be coming behind us.
Oh, they are fighting heavy in the trees.
You guys.
Watch our ass.
Man, I
Wanna
wish
go,
I
you
had.
want to go push him from behind?
What?
All right.
You want to go push him?
God.
I just need to be able to get in close, and we're gonna do it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Jump.
Why not?
That's a good jump.
Yeah, it's a great jump. It's not a good jump. It's a great jump. Brandy, come on.
Nice.
What we do?
I want to go in the snow.
Oh, you still have that British accent.
Are we hitting a roof up there?
I want to go in the snow.
Shut up.
Oh, he's right here. Oh, how did I get dropped? Oh, there's another guy down the hill. Oh,
Holy
come over here,
shit!
come over here,
Oh,
Coming to you, coming to you.
no! Hold on.
Oh, wow. There was
There was
another
I
squad
was
there.
between them,
Mayhem.
both of them. I was
So-
between both of them.
Okay, so can I ask you both, how is Nick doing as a baby?
Baby? He's not a
geek.
baby.
Well, no, he's not a
He's
baby.
got
but
the
he's-
reflexes of a kid.
He's a pickle.
Okay.
Which means he can
He's doing
instant
okay.
kill most of us.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Every once in a while he gets on our nerves and we tell him that you're getting on our nerves, you little
You
shit.
can school him.
Yeah, we school him, yeah,
I'm
but
fine
other
with
than that, he's still good, yeah.
Pied, ready up. Pied, ready up.
No, he's coming.
Patrick,
he's coming.
ready
he's
up.
right here.
Patrick, ready up.
Oh
What?
shit!
Do it,
Stand
do
on.
it, do it. Ah, there you go.
You're gonna make him play again?
Oh, it's my God that's making you play again.
It's
Who's
mind.
that?
It's mind
It's
boggling.
not your God. It's my
Who's
God.
talking right now?
That would be
Friends.
Dingo.
Nugget. Moist
That's
nugget.
cause.
Pied,
Moist
ready up.
nugget. I'm ready. Fuck you, Maddie. Ready up,
What
bitch.
did I do? I didn't do
What,
that.
what,
He
what,
didn't
what
do
did you
anything.
not
What
do?
the hell?
You did all the
Dude,
things. You
Maddie,
did.
I'm on your side.
Thank you.
Oh God, here we go again.
Jeez.
Ready up.
All right, I'm gonna go watch Hell's Kitchen in about 10 seconds.
Hell's Kitchen.
Hell's
Who
Kitchen.
hosts that? Is that Guy Fieri? That's where I am for Halloween.
No.
by the way.
No,
We'll send you
Oh.
pictures. I'm gonna be Guy Fieri when we go. When
God.
they come up here. It's gonna be awesome.
Seriously, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hide.
Guy Fieri.
Hide. You need to just chill. Like,
Yeah, dude. Chill the
Yeah,
fuck
that's-
out. What
that's
the hell?
not-
No,
Chill
no,
out,
no,
chill,
no,
chill, chill.
I'm refrigerated.
You're what? You're
I am slightly below room temperature.
Hey, you know what, Pied? It's okay because I'm frigigerated too.
that just happened.